You can make over 500,000 every month trading smoked fish. And the good news is you don't have to own a fish farm. The good news is you don't need large capital. And the good news is I have someone who will be supplying this fish for you cheaply. The fish is coming from a community that they have access to large volume of fish. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and then stay connected. Let's discuss smoked fish distribution business. If you're new to this channel, my name is Denison, yeah, and you can call me Billionaire Farmer so you don't stress yourself pronouncing the name. Now, few years ago, I started a fish farm business. As at that time, I was doing poultry. So I saw that in Makurdi, then I was based in Benue State. I saw that we don't have much fish farms. And you know, in Makurdi, we have a big river. River Benue is there. So we have fishermen that go into the river, hunt for fish, and sell to those women, and then they sell in the market. But I discovered one thing. You cannot depend on that system and always have access to good fish. Because as a fisherman, you can throw your net and then the fish will be forced to fall on your net. What will you do? But the market is there. So that day, I was doing training for NYC members in Benue State, one of the orientation camp in Wanune. Maybe you are watching this video, you have been to Benue and you know where Wanune is. So I was doing training for those staff. I went there and I discovered that we needed fish for practicals. So we went to the market, we started looking for fish. We go that place. Oh, we don't have fish. We go to the next community. Hey, we don't have fish. I was like, Benue State, we don't have fish. Because the fish we have is natural fish. We are depending on the river to give us fish. But business does not wait that way. So what did I do that day? I went back and I started a small fish farm. And I was able to grow that fish farm to over 10,000 capacity. Even though I lost everything, but then I built to that capacity. And I invested money and I saw the returns that fish could give. But then I also learned one thing, that if you want to actually make money from fish farming, starting a fish farm is not the best approach. Selling fish is the best approach. And this is what I want you to do today. The easiest way for you to make money is to visit places that have a lot of fish, buy from there, and resell in your community. This is what my mom does in my own community. This is what many other women, all the local women that you know, they do this, and many of them have built houses. Many of them have bought cars. They have trained their kids in school by selling fish, and they are not fish farmers. What do? They buy the fish from Maiduguri. Maiduguri has been one of the states, that is Borno State, has been one of the states that produce large volume of fish. Bulk of their fish comes from Chad. They have a large volume of fish coming in from that side. I never knew this until one of my students, who is an NYC member, went to Borno State and was serving there. He started sending me fish. In fact, last week, I received 1 carton of fish from one of my students. One of my students that is based there, she sent me 1 carton of fish. And when we cooked the fish, it was so nice. I was like, oh, this is a business that many people can do. So let me share it here with you. If you want to go into fish business, reach out to me on WhatsApp. Let me connect you with these guys. What they do is that they buy fish in cartons. As they come from Chad, they offload in Borno State, and all the fish sellers you know in Nigeria, they pick from there. This is one thing that many people will not tell you. They pick those fish from there. In Benue State, I know bulk of the fish that comes is from Maiduguri. So you too can start this business. All the people within your community, you don't even need more. Just set a small table. Put your fish there. Get a small shed, put your fish there. You sell. The next day, you take it back. You smoke it. You put it in a smoking kiln so that it doesn't get bad. People have made millions from this business. I know them. I don't want to call their names here, but I know many people have made millions selling fish. Like I said before, my mom, that is her business. After her farming work, she sell fish. In fact, she was, I think one time the chair, the was it the woman leader of their fish sellers what in my community. So I've seen it myself. They will buy fish one carton for 150 and sell close to 200 and something thousand naira, 250, even 300k. I've seen it myself growing up. So how can you be part of this? Number one, you can join our WhatsApp community, Billionaire Farmer Agro Sales Network. It's a network where we have people who are into trading of agro commodities that are based in northern Nigeria. They are in this group. So you who is not based there, and maybe you need farm produce, grains, you need onions, you need tomatoes, you need cabbage, you need carrot from the north. You don't have to travel to north. All you have to do is to do what? Patronize those people in that community. Number one, you know they will not defraud you. That is one of the beauty of my community. We try as much as possible to bring in vendors who are trustworthy, because people have tried to buy things online and they have been defrauded. So when you mention that, they'll be like, oh no, I cannot shop online. Trust me and join the community. Of course, it's not free. We made the community paid because we want to stop scammers. We want to stop unserious people from joining our community. So it's paid, just 5,000 naira. It's not much. You can check the link and join. This will help you to start selling. It could be rice, it could be beans, right? You can start selling these things from your community without traveling to the north. Oh, Billionaire Farmer, I want to start selling beans, but I'm scared of Boko Haram. I don't want to travel. Oh yeah, join this community. There you can have access to fish. You can have access to tomatoes. In fact, many people in my community, they export because of some of the members that we have that are based abroad. I know one of my friend here on YouTube, she's part of my community on WhatsApp, was telling me that she's based in London. This is what she does. The sister that is based in Nigeria buy the fish from Medugri, clean it up, package and send to her in London, in Manchester, where she resell. In fact, I will speak with her. If she accept, I'll put her link and her number so that some of our family who are based in London that want to eat good Nigerian fish can patronize her. So you too can join this community. Now, how much you make as profit is depending on how much you push your fish. It's depending on how much you will sell. See, if you start a fish farm, you can even add this by the side while you're waiting for your fish to grow. Since you know you have market for fish, you can be buying this fish, clean it up neatly, package it and resell. You make a lot of money. So this one is just an invitation for you to join Billionaire Farmer Agro Sales Network. And also, if you want to start selling fish, you can join and buy from the people who are selling from there and resell within your region, within your state, within your community, and make good money from it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Check the video description, check the comment section, and be part of Billionaire Farmer Agro Sales Network so you can get what you will sell and make money. People who say, oh, I have just 500,000 or 300,000 or 100,000. What can I sell? Buy one carton of fish and start selling. Look at some of the restaurants that you have in your place. Reach out to them with your fish. Don't sit in your room. I have this fish. Maybe 10 pieces of this is 5,000 or 5 pieces of this is 20,000, depending on the size and how good the fish is. Maybe you have like 10 restaurants that you're supplying this fish to. Before you know, you buy 10 cartons. Before you know, you buy 20 cartons. So start small and grow in the business. Fish selling will make you big money, more than people who have fish farm. My mom does not have a fish farm. She's making good money from fish. Many other people I know, they don't have fish farms. They are making money from fish. And you watching this video right now, you can also start the same business. It's not a new business. It has been there for many years. You will also make money from it. So thank you so much for watching. See you in our community on WhatsApp. My name is Dennis. You can call me Billionaire Farmer.